Sir, I am from Telangana. This is Swechha TV Telugu YouTube channel. My name is Ramana.
I am Jatinder Singh Sheena, State Secretary of Kirti Kisan Union, which is affiliated to All India Kisan Mazdoor Sabha. I am here from the 26th November till date. I am here for the last 75 days.
And how many of you have been here from your union?
There are hundreds and thousands who are here for all these days. They never turn to their homes. They are committed that we will go to homes when we will win this struggle, when the three black laws will be
repealed. Right. Great to hear. Mainly you are from Punjab?
Yes, I am from Punjab, district Amritsar.
Even the participants, even the agitators are mainly from Punjab or from any other parts of the world?
Agitators over here are not only from Punjab. They are from Punjab, Haryana and UP and so many other states. Delegations come here to participate in this agitation, even from Kerala, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. All states are participating over here at Singhu border also.
Very good.
They are also organizing struggle in their own states, but they wish to come here to see the glamour of this agitation struggle over here.
Great. Yeah, do you have representation in the working group of 16, the highest body of this agitation?
Yes. We are working group member. AIKMS is a working group member of.
Who is representing there?
Giant Kisan Morcha.
Who is representing you there?
Dr. Ashish Mittal, our National General Secretary, is representing over there.
Yeah, good.
And Comrade Vivi is also.
Comrade Vivi, I know him. Even I know him personally.
He is also
I heard that
member
he
of the
went back to Hyderabad.
Core Committee.
Yeah, I know him personally, and he wrote wonderful books also explaining all these laws. In Telugu also he wrote a book. I know him. But Modi's argument is that it is to benefit the farmers he is making the laws. He wants to see the income of the farmers doubled. How do you respond to this?
Yes, they are claiming, ruling classes, parties and especially BJP government, ministers, Narendra Tomar, PM, Modi and so many others are trying to convince the farmers that these laws are in their benefit, but they have no logic.
No
logic to justify their point. But they are only vocal over this point, but they have no logic, no comments how these laws are beneficial to the farmers. They cannot explain to the people.
Yes.
Our organizations raised so many points for the against these laws, which are against the farmers' interests. Even they उनको ये मानना भी पड़ा. They agreed in the discussion that these things, these articles of these laws are against the farmers. They also उन्होंने ये बात जो है किसानों के जो नुमाइंदे थे, जो लीडर्स थे वहाँ डिस्कशन में, उनको ये उनके सामने ये बात रखी भी कि हम ये जो है संशोधन कर देते हैं.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah.
So all these laws are against the farmers. These laws are for the corporates.
For the corporation.
To
Okay, but you
to
know.
enhance the interests of the corporates,
Right, good.
not the interest of the farmers.
Yeah.
These laws give control to the corporates for the trade
Yes.
of the agriculture produce.
Yes. Yes.
These laws in the future time links the contracts of farming
Yes.
for the debts, for the
Yes. Loans.
loans also.
Loans.
They can raise loan for their
And ultimately they will lose their own land also.
for raising buildings over the
Yes.
lands of the farmers. Even they can get loan over the contracts
Farming. Yeah.
for farming. So these rights today, the right of loan is only to the farmer.
Yes. Yes.
जो लैंड का ओनर है,
Yeah.
only owner can take loan these days.
Yes.
So indirectly these laws are giving them an right of owner to them,
Okay.
as they will be able to raise
To
loan
obtain loan against the farmers' fields.
farms lands.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, farmland. Okay, okay. But I know you can understand all these laws. But how can a common farmer understand all these things, and how could you make them aware of the implications of these laws, and how could you create
Yes.
this kind of awareness among farmers to bring this kind of protest?
Yes. We worked hard to
Yeah.
explain all these things to the farmers in Punjab. And they got वो हमारे साथ इस बात पे सहमत हुए.
Yes.
Yes, all these things are against us. We made them understand the problems they will face in the future
Yes.
if these laws will come to force.
Yeah.
And every farmer of Punjab, Haryana or India do not want to lose his land rights.
Yeah.
He want to remain the owner of the land.
Yeah.
He has an emotional attachment to his land.
Land.
As land gives him livelihood, and there is also an emotional relationship.
Yeah.
of
He
the
wants it to pass it on to his next generation.
next generation also.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is a big source of employment
Yes.
and a livelihood for a common farmer, a small farmer in this country where industrial employment is very rare.
Very rare.
And he understands that after coming those laws in force, his coming generation will lose the rights of the land, the right of employment, the right of livelihood, and his independence also.
Yeah,
He will come a laborer
Yeah.
at the mercy of the industrialists of this country.
Yeah. The mainstream media is almost doing a kind of campaign thing for Modi.
Yes.
On one side, you are telling that these laws are harmful. Are farmers not confused with this contrasting views?
Godi media
Yeah.
is working for corporates as well as for Modi government.
Yes.
He is trying to make confuse the farmers, but farmers have grasped the essence of these laws very well.
Yeah.
They know our market, our today's market system will get lost
Yes, yeah.
After-
I think your
after
first
come-
success lies therein,
Yes.
in making that clear to
as
farmers.
the farmers of Punjab, Haryana, especially they are getting a supportive price
Yeah,
and a mechanism of purchase of their grains, their agriculture produced at the supportive price. These laws will abolish all these things,
Yes.
and they will be at the mercy of the trader. They
Yes.
know it very well, as only two crops, wheat and rice,
yes,
are purchased at MSP,
MSP.
by the government agencies. All other 21 crops
they are not getting.
are purchased at throwaway prices.
price.
They are facing it in the practice.
Yes,
In maize or and other crops, as there is जो कपास है
yeah,
उसका भी कोई किसानों को अच्छा मूल्य नहीं मिल रहा,
Yes, yes,
अच्छी
yes.
प्राइस नहीं मिल रही।
yes,
जो मेज़ है, जो दालें हैं,
yes.
उनकी भी प्राइसेस जो है बहुत मीगर प्राइस
Meager है, very कम है, हाँ, बहुत कम
so
है।
it is the common practice of the traders where purchasing agencies does not intervene.
Yes,
They will have to sell their crops at the very low price
yes,
than the MSP.
yes, 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 yes. And if Modi doesn't listen to your voice, do you want to extend it to even other parts of the country to make it a kind of pan-India movement?
Yes.
And how would
It
you
is
do it?
already getting so.
Yeah,
This movement started from Punjab,
yes,
then today in Haryana.
yeah.
There is a big movement today in UP, Western UP especially.
Even Shahjahanpur I heard from
there is
Rajasthan.
a big movement. Rajasthan is also coming up
Yes.
in the movement.
Yes,
And in the other country, as this 6th Feb's call
yes,
for 3 hours of Chakka Jam,
yes,
it was very successful.
yeah.
All over the country, people participated in this call. They blocked the traffic for 3 hours in every part of the
Yes,
country.
every part of the country.
So it is clear from these things that movement is spreading all over the country. Our best effort is this, that we should be patient to spread this movement in the whole of the country.
Yes, yes.
We will have to sit here for some more time. It does not matter. We will bear it. We are ready to sit here for months and months,
Wonderful,
for year
wonderful.
also.
Yeah. Were you not afraid of the tactics of Modi and Amit Shah? For example, a tactic like Deep Sidhu employed to do some kind of activity at Red Fort.
Yes.
How do you view this?
No, it will not happen again.
It won't happen again.
People have learned a lesson
Yes.
from 26th
Republic Day parade. Yeah.
Jan's tractor parade.
Yeah.
Now they cannot mislead the people of Punjab, Haryana, especially Sikhs.
Yes.
They have learned that those people are the agents of the BJP government.
Yes.
They were working for the BJP government.
Yeah.
So people want to fight this struggle up to the repeal of these laws,
Yes.
and they know that peaceful protest is the biggest weapon in their hand to get this goal.
Yeah. Yeah. What if he suspends? He said that he would suspend for 18 months.
No.
It's not acceptable to you.
Suspension is not acceptable to the farmers. Farmers wants only a repeal and repeal.
Only repeal.
Yes.
Right,
Nothing less than
Yeah.
repeal.
Right, right. And I see a lot of Bhagat Singh flexes everywhere.
Yes.
And I see left ideology, of course, may not be left political parties, but left ideology in general is seen everywhere. Do you think it is a reckoning force in this movement?
Yes. In fact, left ideology, left organizations, they are pertain to the particular interest of the people.
Yes.
They have no demands other than the needs of the people.
Yes, yes.
They are concentrating on the repeal of this law, these 3 laws. That is why government is saying, BJP is saying that communists have hijacked this movement.
Yes, yes.
As the people committed to communist ideology are firmly stood over the stand that these laws must be repealed.
Yeah.
Government thinks that other organizations would have been उनको वो
Yeah.
मना लेते कि रिपील से कम
Yes.
संशोधन जहाँ सस्पेंशन फॉर 2 years,
Yes.
but the left oriented organizations are with the interests of the people,
Okay.
of the country, with the farmers.
Yes. I see huge money is needed to run this kind of mission, right?
Yes, yes.
And where are you getting this money from? Because government says you are getting money from international organizations, money is coming from Canada, money is coming from Khalistan, money is coming from England. Is it true?
No.
Do you agree with it? And if not, where are you getting money
It is totally
from?
false. There is our counter
Yeah.
for raising funds.
Yes.
Common people of the country are donating funds over here, over there. They are giving in cash.
Yeah.
Someone 500, someone 100, someone 50,000, someone 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Funds are coming like this.
Okay.
Common people of this country, they are donating for the funds.
Yeah.
They are farmers, they are shopkeepers, they are traders, they are artis, commission agents,
Yes.
they are industrialists.
Yes.
Some industrial organizations from all over the country
Yeah.
donated funds
Good. Good.
to
good.
this agitation, as they think that it is the struggle against the
Yes.
imperialism
Yes. Imperialism.
and struggle against the forces which are deindustrializing this country,
Yes.
which are these governments are following the same policy before 1947
Yeah.
of
British government. The then
British government, raw material from India towards England
Yes.
and processed things from England to India.
Yeah.
And these things are badly affecting the industry of this country, especially SMSCs.
Yes.
And they are behind this movement. They think that this attack of the imperialists should be blocked by the farmers.
Yes. Okay. One more point. Your internet services have been cut off.
Yes, yes,
Your electricity is cut off.
yes.
Your water connection is cut off. And even people are also not allowed. Their movement is also stopped. Were you not worried that you might not get enough material to support you here?
Then they try to contain our supplies,
Yes, supply chain is cut off.
but they are unable to do so. As the local people of this area,
Yeah.
they are at our support greatly. We have no problem of water for drinking and taking bath and washing our clothes.
Okay.
No problem of any eatable.
Yes.
No problem of light, as we are getting light from the homes of this people of this locality.
Yeah.
So government is trying to block all these things, but people are making it impossible for them.
Wow, very good,
Especially
very-
now Haryana people are
They are more in number now. I see.
guarding us.
Yes, yes.
They try to make a split between locals
Yes.
and agitating pupils.
Yes.
They gathered their cadre of BJP, RSS,
Yes, yes.
etc.
At Ghazipur
and
border
tried
I
to-
saw some people.
At Singhu
trying
border
to-
also.
Oh.
But people of Haryana intervened. They challenged those people that we will see you
Okay.
if you will attack the farmers who are agitating over here from Punjab and Haryana, we will see you.
Okay.
And panchayats of this area,
Half panchayats.
dozens and dozens panchayats came here and they
Give you protection and offered
they-
material.
they gave us solidarity.
Solidarity. They expressed
Solidarity
their
with
solidarity.
the movement.
Wonderful.
And
wonderful.
they assured us that nobody from these villages will attack you. Elsewhere they will protect you. Anyone try to do this,
Yes.
we will confront him.
Thank you, because it's wonderful to hear, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
I hope that these 3 farm laws would be repealed, and I hope that Modi might learn a lesson out of this.
Yes.
Thank you.